Alright guys and girls, welcome back. So we're just lifting up there. Try and put that there nice and straight. Yeah, a friend of mine was wondering how fast these go, these electric bicycles. Pretty fast indeed. I'll probably do 120 frames per second on in a few days, just to show you the 1080p 120. It is the 23rd today though of July 2019, but I'll tell you what, you can get to one place to the next in a matter of minutes, or about half an hour roughly. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to go around the long way, straight down, and yeah, do some shit. Take a shortcut. Hi. And yeah, these I'll tell you what guys and girls, these are not to be fooled around with, these electric bicycles, literally. Right. Yeah, if you're fooling around with electric bike, I tell you, or stuff like that, you can get injured. That's why if you're good with bicycles, then yeah, that's cool, man. Cheers. Right. Alright. That's cool, man. That is some cool guys out there. Let me know if there's traffic around and all that. Pretty awesome, huh? Alright. Hi. That should be alright. So just a little bit. Anyway, guys and girls, so what I'm doing is gonna go this way. I might go down to Morrison's way and sort of like get a drink for a minute, Coke or something. Or I could just cycle straight home, get one when I get back. Got a few cans of Coke today. I like those what do you call them, ginger and Coca-Cola. Absolutely amazing, guys and girls. Alright. Take a shortcut. Let's go straight round. Or if you want to actually go to this extreme and go over, I put that on the standard, due to the fact if you're going down this like little pathway, there's a sort of a thing where you can climb up a little bit of a hill. Get ready, guys and girls, get ready. Oh, they've actually moved that lump out there. Oh no, actually the lump's still there. You watch this. Whew. Oh yeah, baby. Ooh. Yeah, a lot easier this actually. Around here taking these shortcuts. It's just basically just taking a shortcut area. Still got to be careful because there's the roads around there. Right, I'll back in a minute, guys and girls.